Welcome to the tutorial of simple equation. So how do we solve this equation in practice? So let's see. Let's solve the following equations. So whenever you see this, it means find the value of the unknown. So we have first question, x over 3 minus 4 is equal to 8. So we can add 4 to both sides. So then this will be x over 3 is equal to 8 plus 4. This minus 4 is like added to the right hand side. And we have x over 3 is equal to 12. Then we multiply both sides by 3 because now we have a denominator. So we multiply both sides by 3. Okay. And this is like simplified because both of them has a factor of 3. So we have x on the left and 36 on the right. So x is equal to 36. So we put this x equal 36 back in here and check if our answer is correct or not. So we substitute 36 into this x. So we have 36 divided by 3 minus 4 on the left hand side. Then we do division first. So this is 12. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So 12 minus 4, which is 8. And it is the left hand side, right? So this is equal right hand side. Then this equation is true for the value of x equals to 36. Okay. So number 2, 2x plus 6 is equals to negative 10. Okay. So we minus 6 to both sides. Okay. And we have 2x is equal to negative 10, negative 6 is negative 16. So we have 2x here, so we divide both sides by 2. Such that our aim is to make left hand side x only. Okay. So we divide both sides by 2. And these 2's cancel because both of them have a factor of 2. So left hand side is left with x. And negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Okay, say 16 divided by 2 is 8, and the fraction is negative, so this is negative. Okay, and x is equal to negative 8. So you do a track if you want. I will skip this. It will left as for you as an exercise. Okay. So note 3, 12 minus x is equals to 5. So you want left hand side to have x only, positive, no negative sign. Okay. So then you can add x to both sides. So 12 minus x plus x is equals to 5 plus x. So now left hand side don't have x anymore. And 12 is equals to 5 plus x. And then I deduct 5 from both sides. So 12 minus 5 is equals to x. Then this is 7 on the left hand side. And traditionally we want to put the unknown on the left. So x is equal to 7. Okay. Next we have number 4, 3 plus y is equal to 11. Okay. So I deduct 3 from both sides. So y is equal to 11 minus 3. So because I do this because for addition, the order doesn't matter. So this is like, okay, y plus 3 is equal to 11. These two are the same expression. So I just like deduct 3 from both sides, like what I did here. Okay. So then y is equal to 8. Okay. And then 3, y minus 5 divided by 3. So the whole thing is divided by 3 is equal to 6. Okay. So whenever we see denominator, we usually remove this first. So y minus 5 over 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 times 3. Okay, these two cancels. And y minus 5 is equal to 6 times 3, so it's 18. And then I add 5 to both sides. And I have y is equal to 23. Okay. Number 6. For bracket y minus 5 bracket equal to 16. So this is a bracket. It means what's inside is together. So it's like there's a bag. And in the bag there is y minus 5. And we have 4 of these bag. But bracket means multiplication. So it's 4 times this bag and is equal to 16. Okay. So how much is in the bag? Right? 4 times what is 16? 4 times 4 is 16, right? So which means the bag has the value of 4. So let's see how we solve this. So 4 of these bag is 16. How about 1 of these bag? So 4 of this bag divided by 4 is equal to 16 divided by 4. Okay. And then these two cancels. Both of them have factors of 4. So 1 of this bag is equals to 4, as we figured this out before. So now we can empty the bag. So y minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay. And we add 5 to both sides. And y is equal to 9. Okay. Next video we'll talk about more about brackets. So number 7. So minus x plus 5 is equal to 4x. Okay. So try to put x on the left hand side, but both sides has x. So first of all, we put all the terms with x on the left hand side first. So we deduct 4x from both sides. So minus x plus 5 minus 4x is equal to 4x minus 4x. So now right hand side has no x. Then we rearrange because these are terms, so we can rearrange them. So minus x minus 4x positive 5, okay, is equal to 0. Okay. It's also known as connecting like terms. So like terms means they have the same unknown carried. So this has -1 of the unknown. This has -4 of the unknown. And together it is -5 of the unknown. Okay. plus 500. Okay. So it's like, okay, we lose 1x, we lose 4x. In total, we should be losing 5x. So this is like -1 and -4 in the bracket. This step is like -1, -4x. Okay. So then we have, this is -5 in the bracket. So we have -5x. Okay. And then this part is this part. Okay. And then we have -5x is equal to -5 as I deduct 5 from both sides. So then divide both sides by -5. So -5x by -5 is equal to -5 divided by -5. So x is equal to 1. So anything divided by itself is 1. Okay. And this one cancels. Okay. Then number 8. So x divided by 3 is equal to x plus 6. So both sides has the x, and there is a denominator. So usually we try to get rid of the denominator first. Okay. So and to do that, we'll multiply by 3 to both sides. So left hand side is multiplied by 3, and the whole right hand side is multiplied by 3. Okay. The right hand side has x plus 6. So not only the x, not only the 6, but everything on the right hand side has to multiply by 3. So we put them in the bracket and then multiply by 3. Okay. So left hand side, this is simplified. So left hand side we're left with x. So how about right hand side? We have 3 of the bag. Okay. The x is trapped in the bag. So we have to empty the bag some way such that we can like put the x on the right hand side to the left hand side. So how do we do that? Okay. So in the back there is the unknown x. So from the concept video, remember this is like a boss. So this is unknown boss x in the back, and then we have 6 unit masses, or just x plus 6 in the back, and we have 3 of these back. Okay. So which means we have altogether 3 of the unknown, right? In total of all the 3 bags, because each bag has 1 x. So 3 bags of these same bags, there should be 3 x's, right? Also, there are 6 6 marbles, 6 unit masses, anything. So let's say there's 6 marbles in each of these bags. And then we have 3 of these bags. So then we should have 3 times 6 of these marbles or values. Okay. So then we empty the bags. So x is equal to, we have 3x and positive 18 of value. Okay. So it's called expanding the bracket. It will be discussed in next video. So then now the x is not trapped. We can move it to the left hand side. So x minus 3x, 3x plus 18 minus 3x. So then these two terms, positive 3x, negative 3x cancels. So we have, and on the left, with x minus 3x. So we have -1 minus 3x is equals to positive 18. Okay, or just 18. Oh, this is positive 1, sorry. Yeah, it is a positive x minus negative 3x. So we had 1x, and then we lose 3x. Then we are losing 2x in total. So negative 2x is equal to 18. Then we divide both sides by negative 2. Okay. Then x is equal to, so this cancels. X is equals to 18 divided by negative 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. And the answer should be negative because one of the numerator or denominator has a negative sign. So this is negative 9. Okay. And number 9. So 6x plus 2 is equals to 2x plus 14. So and we have we put all the x's to the left. So 6x plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 2x plus 14 minus 2x. So when we are arranging 6x minus 2x plus 2, remember the terms always carry the sign. So I move this term for f2. I move the whole thing at the same time. Similarly, when I move this negative 2x, I move the whole thing at the same time. Okay. So then I should do the same on the right. But they will cancel eventually, so we have 6x minus 2x. So okay, I had 6x, I lose 2 of them, and now I have 4x remaining. So this 4x positive 2. I have 2x, I lose 2x, and there's none x left on the right hand side. So 0. So I deduct 2 from both sides. So 4x is equal to 12. Okay. And x is equal to 3. We're going to divide both sides by 4. Okay. It's like 4x divided by 4 is equal to 12 divided by 4. And then this cancels. Then this is 3. Okay. Last one. Number 10. 4y divided by 3 is equal to y over 6 plus 1. Okay. Now both sides has y, and this y is in a fraction. So usually we want to remove the denominator. So now we can use multiplication to remove the denominator. At the same time, keeping both left-hand side and right-hand side balanced. Okay. So what we do is to multiply 6 to both sides. Then it's also remove the denominator on left-hand side. So we'll see. So we multiply 6 to both left-hand side and right-hand side. So multiplying, remember we multiply 6 to the whole right-hand side. So then I have to put this in a bracket. Okay, now they're always together. So then I'm multiplying the whole right-hand side by 6. Okay, did not miss anything, right? Because I put them in the back. So it's like packing the luggage or packing the bag. So then I did not miss anything. Okay. So then Now the left hand side, this can be simplified because both of them have a factor of 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay. So on the left hand side, I'm left with 4y times 2. Okay. And on the right hand side, okay, in the back there's 2 terms. One is 1 over 6, the other one is positive 1. Okay. Both of them are in the back, and we have 6 of these backs. Okay. Which means I have 6 of these terms and 6 of this term, positive 1. Okay. So I have 6 times power over 6 and okay, 6 times positive 1. Okay. So then on the left hand side we have 8y. Then multiplication first, so these two cancels, but both of them have factor of 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, 6 divided by 6 is 1, so I have y here. And I have 6 here, because 6 positive 1 is positive 6, so positive 6. Okay. Now I can put the y to the left hand side. Okay. So then I deduct y from both sides. So on the left hand side I have 7y. Then the right hand side the y is cancelled. So I'm left with the term positive 6. Then I divide both sides by 7. 1 divided by 7 is equal to 6 divided by 7. Then y is equal to 6 over 7. Okay. So this for this tutorial. Next one we'll talk about expanding a bracket.